Different kind of jhul pitha. Tastes so good, you must try it. Easy to make. And less ingredients needed. 1.5 cup water. Salt. Onion, 2 tablespoons. Minced garlic, 2 tablespoons. Chopped green chili, 2 tablespoons. Turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Cumin and coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Stir and mix. Boil 2 to 3 minutes. Coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons. Rice flour, 1.5 cups. Stir continuously. Cover for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, transfer to the bowl. Make a dough. Done. Divided the dough. Transfer the dough in a bowl. Cover it. Take a one dough. Make a flatbread. Cut 4 sides of roti. Cut 3 slices. Not too thick, not too thin. All done. Make a design like this. It will be look nice. Fry. Flip. Look how fluffy. Fry until golden brown. Done. Ready to serve. Crispy and tasty. Hope you enjoy. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.